Hello everyone. Now let's talk about the Node.js questions. First question: what is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technology like Apache or PHP? Well, the answer is Node.js is a open source cross-platform runtime environment that allows developers to execute JavaScript on the server side. It is built on the weird JavaScript engine and is designed for building scalable and high-performance network applications. And major difference between Node.js and traditional server technologies such as Apache or PHP its non-blocking, event-driven architecture. Node.js can handle multiple requests simultaneously without creating separate threads for each request, making it high efficient for real-time applications. In contrast, technologies like PHP typically follow a blocking model where each request waits for execution before moving to the next. Now let's talk about the second question. Second question is what is callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? Answer is a callback function is a function that is passed as an argument to another function and it is executed after a specific task has been completed. Callbacks are widely used in Node.js because it operates as an asynchronous model. Many operations such as file handling, database queries, and network requests take time to complete. Instead of blocking the execution flow, Node.js continues processing other tasks and invokes callback once the operation finishes. Okay. This approach improves application performance, responsiveness, and scalability by preventing delays in execution. Now let's talk about the third question. Uh, Third question is what is purpose of package.json file in Node.js project? Explain the key properties found in this file. The package.json file is a core component of any Node.js project. It acts as a metadata file that contains essential information about the applications and manage project dependencies. Its primary purpose is to help developers organize their projects, define required packages, and ensure consistency across different environments. Now, key properties. Name, like name means specifies the project name and also version, and also we have description, and also we have main, and also script, and other one is dependencies, and also dev dependencies and license. These are the key properties. Okay. Overall, package.json simplifies dependency management and supports efficiency project configuration. This is about the purpose of package.json file in a Node.js. And also we discuss about key properties also. Okay. Now, next move to the fourth question. Fourth question is explain the difference between required and import in import statements in Node.js. When and why would you use one over the other? Now the answer is require and import are both used to include modules in a Node.js application, but they belong to different module systems. Require is a part of CommonJS module system and has traditionally been the default method in Node.js. It loads modules synchronously and is commonly used in older projects. Import belongs to the ES modulus system, which is the modern JavaScript standard. It supports better structure, improved readability, and enhanced compatibility with modern development tools. Developers typically use import in modern applications to follow current JavaScript standards, while required is mainly used when working with legacy systems or projects that rely on CommonJS. Okay. Now, next we move into the fifth question. What is fifth question is what is middleware in the context of express.js? Uh, Middleware refers to functions that execute during the life cycle of a request to the server. These functions operate between incoming request and the outgoing response. Uh, and the primary purpose of middleware is to process request before they reach the final root handler. Middleware can perform tasks such as logging request details, parsing data, authenticating users, handling errors, and modifying responses. Middleware improves application structure by separating concerns and making the code more modular, maintainable, and scalable. This is about the fifth question. Okay. Now let's talk about the sixth question. Uh, Or sixth question is, what is RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in uh, RESTful APIs. Answer is, a RESTful API is an architectural approach used for designing networked applications. It allows communication between client and server through standard HTTP protocols and treats data as resource that can be accessed using unique URLs. Node.js combined with Express.js provide a lightweight and efficient environment for building RESTful APIs by defining routes that correspond to different operations on resources. The main HTTP methods used are GET, retrieves data from the server; post sends data to server to create a new resource; and also we have put, patch, delete. Put means updates an existing resource, and patch means applies partial updates to a resource, and delete means removes a resource from the server. RESTful APIs are widely used because they are scalable and compatible with multiple platforms. Is about the sixth question answer. Now let's talk about the seventh. Seventh question is, what is the purpose of Node Package Manager NPM and how do you use it to manage dependence in your Node.js project? Node Package Manager, commonly known as NPM, is the default package manager for Node.js. It improves access to a large registry of open source libraries that developers can use it to build applications more efficiently. The primary purpose of NPM is to automate the installation, updating, and removal of project dependencies. It also ensures that all required packages properly versioned and documented within the project configuration. By managing dependencies effectively, NPM helps maintain project stability and improve collaboration among developers and reduces development time. This is about the seventh question. Now let's talk about the eighth. Eighth question is, why is it important to hash the passwords in a web application? The answer is, hashing passwords is a critical security practice used to protect user credentials. Instead of storing passwords in a plain text, hashing converts them into irreversible encrypted strings. This ensures that even if a database is compromised, attackers cannot easily retrieve the original passwords. Password hashing enhances overall application security, helps prevent unauthorized access, and protects user privacy. It is considered a fundamental requirement for building secure web applications and maintaining user trust. That's it. Thank you. Thank you so much.